show you how to make a really easy turkey and stuffing casserole. And I'm using roast turkey that I had in my freezer that I need to get used up. So I'm going to make this casserole, and I'll show you just how easy this is. And it does turn out delicious. And you can make this ahead of time, just so you know, and freeze it. So it does work wonderful. So there's my turkey, and it's all thawed out. I left it in the refrigerator until it was completely thawed. You never want to thaw anything like this out on your counter. So we're just going to chop this, because I didn't chop it up when I, tore it apart to freeze. And I'm gonna you're going to want about a good 4 or 5 cups. So I probably won't be using all this in this casserole, but it's real easy to chop up. Do a little bit more here. And then I'll take what's left to make a nice turkey salad for sandwiches. Wonderful. Okay, so we got that. Let's set this aside. Wash my hands up. Okay. To this turkey, I'm going to add, you can use cream of mushroom soup, but my husband hates mushrooms, so I've got to use the cream of chicken. And I'm going to use an entire can. Actually, you can use pretty much any cream soup you want. I got these on sale, so I'm using them for a quick, easy meal. And I'm going to use 8 ounces of sour cream with this. And I'm just going to mix this all together till it's mixed real good. Okay. I'm not going to add salt because the soup is salty. That's salt. Well, I got a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to add pepper. I didn't want to add salt because the soup does get a little salty, but that won't hurt. Okay, now I've got my casserole dish here that I've got sprayed, and I am going to place this right down in there. Okay, I'm just going to spread that around in there. Oh, nice. That'll be nice. And I'm going to put a little bit of my frozen veggies in here. In this particular one, I'm going to use a little peas and carrots. I'm just going to make a little section for the peas and carrots there, a little layer of them. That's good. Okay. Now with that, I've got to set this aside. You can use, I've got a bag of stuffing here. You can use any brand of stuffing you want. I am using actually some stovetop stuffing, the herb flavored. So I'm going to put that in my dish here. I'm also going to add one entire stick of melted butter to that. And I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. And I'm going to take my other, and I'm just going to mix that. I'm going to put a little more than that. That just wasn't fluffy enough for me. There we go. That worked. So you might want 2. Okay? So now with that, we're just simply, look at the mess I make. We're just simply going to pour this over the top of this casserole. We're just going to lay it over the top of that, push it down nice. Okay. I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until it's nice and bubbly and heated all the way through. So when it is done, I'll bring you back and show you just how delicious it turns out. Okay, friends, my casserole is all done and it turned out beautiful. It cooked for about 40 minutes. It's nice and heated all the way through, so I'm going to scoop some out and show you just how wonderful this turns out. Very easy casserole to put together, and it's delicious, and it can be budget friendly as well. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.